Hi guys, this is Elise and I am here with a video to share some happy mail. I just returned from vacation and I came back to my swap package from Christina Bates. Hi Christina Christina Betts. And we decided to do a TN insert kit swap, where we made each other a notebook for our traveler's notebooks, and we included things that we could add to the traveler's notebook insert to decorate it. So I'm so excited. I will put the link to the video that she did showing what I sent to her, because I actually did not have time to make a video of that because I was just so busy trying to get ready for vacation. But I had a wonderful time and I'm back and I am so happy. So anyhow, so this is the package that she sent to me. Christina lives in Canada, and on the front she has this tag. It's so cute. It says Speedy Special Delivery. And then she put this cute ice cream cone clip, which I'm going to try and accidentally like cut right there. But I'm going to take this off of here and fix this part and put this all in my notebook. So let's get started. I have not opened it. I have not peeked. All I did was just open the package, and already I see this cute little sticker and this beautiful tissue paper. So we're going to try to save this sticker because she can go in my notebook. So let's see what we've got. Ooh, okay. So okay. Oh, look at Christina, guys. If you guys don't know her, go check her out. I will put the link to her channel in the description box below, because she does the most adorable projects, pocket letters. Her journals are just amazing. I love her style, and I think we have kind of similar style. Although I don't know, I like the things that she does. So anyway, here it is. It says, to Elise. And so this is, let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is a card, and I will, okay, yes, I will read this off camera, but look how pretty that is. So pretty. I love that. Thank you, Christina. Okay, so we're going to put that to the side. So let me take everything out. I'm going to take everything out of the box, and then we will figure out what we have here. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. Oh my gosh, Christina. Okay, I see some cute things already. Okay, so let's start out with these, because I have these right in my hand. She sent these adorable, really cute. They're called trinkets. These are stickers, and it says Hello Autumn. And these are going to be really cute in my journal. Look how cute those are. Love those. And these are Bella Boulevard. And then she sent me some stickers, some Christmas. I can use these in my December daily. So I'm almost done actually with my notebook for August, September, which I actually did a lot of the pages for August when I went on my vacation. So I hope I can make it through September, but if not, so okay, so these are for December. I can use this in my December daily notebook, because that's going to be coming up real soon, which I'm going to do a traveler's notebook style. Okay, so let's see what this is. Look how cute this is. This is for you, and there's a little charm right there. This is adorable. It says, listen, honey, God didn't promise it will be easy. He just promised it will be worth it. Love that. Thank you so much. Look at these tags. Oh, I love this one. And it's like a denim canvas. And then she's got this tag here. I wonder if there's anything in there. Oh, really cute. I love that with that button stamp on it. Okay, so let's see what's in here. And I love this paper, Christina. You have it wrapped in. Okay, so let's see. Ooh. Okay, so we've got here. Uh-oh. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, I don't want this to get too long. Okay, so she sent me some washi tapes. She sent me this music note, and I'm definitely going to be using all of this. Let me just put this here. This music note washi tape. And then she sent this one. This is really cute. It's got like the stripes and the polka dots and that little harlequin design and more polka dots. Really cute. And then she sent this one with the owls. Adorable. That will be really cute for the fall. So cute. Look how cute those are. Uh-oh. Did that focus? So cute. Thank you, Christina. Okay. And then she sent me this little pack of, oh, these are really pretty. These little sequins. Well, they're not little. They're big sequins. They're like confetti. They're acorns and leaves and maple leaves and pumpkins. Really, really pretty. Those would be cute to make like a shaker pocket or something to go into my journal. And then she sent me this 4-color Coletto pen. Love it. Love, love, love it. I had one. I don't know what happened to it. I think my niece has my pen. So thank you for that, because I can use that in my journal. One day I'm going to do a what's in my journal bag, because I do have that all set up with everything I need for all my journaling. Oh, look how cute this is. This is adorable. And I love these little girls. These little my favorite thing stamps. And, you know, they've got this, like, stringy hair. But I think they're adorable. Some people don't like them, but I do. And then she put this beautiful... I know she said in one of her videos that she made this. This is, like, some seam binding with a little flower and some pearls on this clip. So, really, really cute. And this in here is... Let's see what this is. Let's put this here. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh, wow. All kinds of little pieces and doodads and all kinds of little things that I can use in my journal. There's some clips. There's a butterfly clip, and I'm sure she made these. There's a bicycle. There's a bow. Oh, look at this. Look at this wooden fox. These are really cute. Oh, and she sent me one of her little planner clips. I know she made this because I saw this in one of her videos. These are so cute. Let me put those there. And there's, oh, look at this. More like just all kinds of little bits and pieces that can be used in my journals. So thank you so much, Christina, for all of this. Thank you so much. I have a lot of this kind of stuff, but it's really nice to have some new, because sometimes I get tired of what I have. You know how that is. We get tired of our things sometimes, and it's nice to have something new to make it seem like, you know, like it's new. So, all kinds of bits and pieces. So, thank you so much. Love, love, love that. And I love this. Of course, she's going to go in my journal as well. So cute. And then she sent me some Tic Tacs. Thank you very much. Some fruit-flavored Tic Tacs. And then she sent this lavender vanilla hand and body lotion. Oh, this is from her spa. Christina has a day spa where she does facials and eyebrows, and I don't know if she does massages. I guess she probably does. But it says handcrafted. So let me open this and see how it smells. I'm sure it smells wonderful. Ooh. Yummy. Oh, wow, Christina. That smells so nice. Let me put some on right now. Let's see. Oh, I love it. Guys, if we had smell-o-vision, you guys could smell how wonderful this is. Oh, this is actually going to go, it's lavender vanilla. I'm going to actually put this in my journal bag. So I'll always have that with me, because usually I take my journal bag lots of places. So, okay, so here's another little bowl that fell out. We'll just put that there. Okay, and then she's got this. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, so this is, wow, this is a big zipper pouch. Okay, see? It's a big zipper pouch. And in here, she's got a couple of things. Okay, here is, I think this is the notebook. I'm pretty sure that's the notebook. And then she's got, wait a minute, I could be wrong. Okay, so, wait, let me get everything out of here first. Okay, so this is really nice. Look at this. I don't know if you got this from Daiso, because I think I've seen something like this at Daiso. I love that. That'll hold a lot of journaling goodies. Okay, so let's see. In here, she put, ooh. Okay, so she's got some stamps. I love these. Pray without ceasing. The Lord is my shepherd. I can do all things. Hope anchors the soul. Let your light shine. God is love. I love these. And then she made this beautiful, this charm that can go on my journal. Love that. Okay, and then here are some cards. It says, inspires me. Okay, and look at this little adorable little clip. Love that. I'm so excited. Okay. And then here's some little, these are what? 2x3, 2x4 cards? 2x3, I think. It's not the size of the house that makes a home. It's the size of your heart. Love these. Oh, these are going to be so nice in my journals. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. That's so true. That is so, so true. And then here's a cute recipe card. I love these. Unexpected friendships are the best ones. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love these. Wish list. Welcome to our coop. So cute. Oh, I love those. Love, love, love those. And there are some other like little, these are like vellum. I don't know, these are stickers. I think they're stickers. These are like vellum stickers. So let's see how these look. Oh, I cannot wait to play now. I just got home. We got home late last night, and I'm off work today. I work tomorrow, but I've got the rest of the afternoon to just sit with my feet up and watch a little TV and play in my journal. So all these little vellum pieces, really cute. There's a little mushroom. These are adorable. Let me put those there. And then, oh wow, Christina, you sent a lot of little pieces. Lots of pieces. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so much fun to decorate with. Look at these, guys. Oh my gosh, I love these. Wow, love, love, love. I love all of these. Look at this. So cute. Oh, I love this one. Love that. I may have to use that one today. Look how cute these are. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. I cannot wait to play in my journals. Together time. I love these. Sweet as a cupcake. Anything can happen if you let it. I love that. Mary Poppins. I love that. Look at all of these. Thank you, Christina. Oh my gosh. These are wonderful. I love it. Best friends, best wishes. I love all of these, and there's more. Let's see. There's more, there's more. So here's a teapot, coffee. These are going to be great. I actually, when I was in Michigan, oh, I love this. Look how cute that is. Did you color that? Oh my gosh, did you color this? This is adorable. Oh, I have to use that. That is so cute. When I was in Michigan, I got to visit my friend Sylvia. I met Sylvia on Instagram, and we became really, really close friends. And every time I go to Michigan, I get to see her. So I got to see her actually Friday. I saw her on Friday, and we spent the whole morning together, just chit-chatting and drinking coffee. So these are going to be perfect because every time I see her, we always take a picture together. So I have my pictures already in my journal, but I haven't decorated the pages yet. So some of those are going to be perfect. Okay, so she sent me some doilies, which I love. And these look really old. They're like canvas. I love these, Christina. Thank you so much. I love those. And then here's one of those little postal envelopes. Oh, a couple of those. I love those. Really cute. And then here is this looks like a picture that came out of a magazine. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's see what else we've got here. We've got some, an envelope that can be used to hold journaling or pictures or whatever I want to put in it. And then here are some really cute, I think these are simple stories, maybe simple stories or illustrated faith, like stickers. Yes, these are illustrated faith. These are going to be perfect to stick here and there. It's really nice to have little small stickers like this because when you have a journal page and you're working on a journal page and you need just a little something to fill in a little space or just to add like a tiny little spot of color, you can use, things like this. So those are going to be great. So, and then she sent me this. Oh, this is cute. It's a little notebook. Oh, I love this. It says notes. And it's just a little notebook. Adorable. Thank you, Christina. I love this. Love that. I can either alter it on the front if I wanted to, or I can just use this to write down ideas and things like that. So thank you very much. Okay, and I'll be using this as well. Okay, so let's get to the notebook. I love this. It says Autumn Love, Crisp Days of Fall, and Blessed. It says Memories. And you know what I love about this, Christina, that you didn't use like fall colors, which I love fall colors, but it's great to see that you know, did something different. So that's awesome. I'm trying to be more creative, guys, with my journals and, you know, things like that. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is 5 by 8. And I love this wider size, and I got the idea to use a wider size. I've been wanting to use a wider size, but as I watched, the more and more I watched Christina's videos, I thought, that's the size I want. So now I'm using 5 by 8, and I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this, Christina. And it says, Created with Love by Christina. Oh my gosh. Did you type that on there? Look at that, guys. It's really cute. Thank you, Christina. Okay, so let's look inside. I'm so excited. Okay, oh, okay, so in the front pocket, she added all kinds of, oh, that's cute. That's a cute bag right there that she's got. And I can add things in there. And here's a pocket here. Let me just set this down for a second, because we've got some ephemera pieces. It says, Give Thanks, Apple of My Eye, and apple and gooseberry jam, apple cider. These are really, really cute. Oh, and there is a vintage recipe for gold cake, which is probably like a yellow cake. Oh, wow. I may have to try that. Perfect for the fall. Okay, so I'll put these back in here. Thank you so much. I am so excited, guys. Okay, so we've got a page here I can decorate. And she used this pretty blue pattern paper. Oh, I love that. Love that. Really, really pretty. I love it. Oh, look how cute. Look, I used to have this. This paper collection. This is an old paper collection. I actually used to have this paper collection, and I did a scrapbooking layout of my daughter one fall. I went to a crop, and I actually won a prize. I think I got second place for my layout using this paper collection. I did a, yes, I remember that. Really, really cute. I love it. She made a tip in. And here's some ledger paper. And I can use all the bits and pieces and things that she sent me to decorate this. Okay, and here is a page that she did a layout on. I love it. Thank you, Christina. Really, really cute. I love this collection as well. I used to have that paper collection too. And I actually, this paper pad, when I had this paper collection, I think I actually used the entire paper pad. How often does that happen? Not very often do we go through an entire paper pad. Really, really cute. Thank you, Christina, so much. I love it. Look at this page. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at that. I love that. That came out of a children's book. Really, really cute. So this is going to be so much fun to decorate. And then she added a tab here. And then she did some stamping here. And she put this beautiful stamp. I love that stamp. That's really pretty. Really pretty. There is significance in every moment, and the beauty of life is that you can create your own destiny. Love that. Love that. Christina, this is so nice. I absolutely love it. Thank you so, so very much. I love it. I cannot wait to decorate this. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, Christina. Thank you so much for my notebook and all of these other extra goodies that you sent to me. Everything is going to get put to great use. I love it, and I can't wait to start journaling in this and to share it with you guys later on. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I will talk with you later. Bye.